Today I'll be covering some of the top mistakes that homeowners make when it comes to picking out colors in their garden. And I'll also be telling you how to fix these mistakes. Mistake number 1, visually confusing colors. Tandy and Tom treat their garden like a paint box, and they add every color that they love. The result is that the space feels busy, overwhelming, and visually confusing. When there's no clear color direction, the eye doesn't know where to look. What they can do to fix this is that they can choose a simple color palette of 2 to 3 main colors and repeat them throughout the garden. When you combine the simple color palette with different plant textures, leaf shapes, and plant heights, this can help your garden feel more intentional. Mistake number 2, the green color dilemma. The other mistake that they made was that they saw the green color on their plants as just another color, and they ignored it. But in reality, green is much more important. Ignoring it can make their garden feel flat or unbalanced, especially when bold flowers are added without structure. If they start to use different shades and tones of green, dark, light, glossy, matte, it creates a depth and contrast. In your garden, think of green as your canvas that allows other colors to shine without overpowering the space. Oh, and by the way, if you stick around to the end, I'll have a bonus tip that will change the game for your backyard design. Okay, mistake number 3, focal color. Remember, early on, when we said that Tandy and Tom treat their garden like a paint box and they add every color that they love, well, when they do this, every plant is now competing for attention. Nothing truly stands out. Without a focal point, the garden can feel scattered and lacking intention. How they can fix this is that they can have one standout main color or plant as a focal point, and to support the main color or plant, there will be softer complementary tones. In your garden, this will help guide the person's eye through the space and gives the garden a sense of flow and hierarchy. Mistake number 4, the surroundings. One of the most important aspects Tandy and Tom forgot is that bright flowers can look great, but they can clash with your home, paving, fences, or outdoor furniture. When the plant colors don't work with their surroundings, the entire garden can feel disconnected. When Tandy and Tom start to take inspiration from their hardscape and architecture, their planting choices start to echo the tones of their walls, paving, or furniture. Doing this for your garden will help create a harmonious and well-integrated outdoor space. Mistake number 5, light and shadow. Tandy and Tom choose colors without considering how light quality changes them throughout the day. Dark colors, blues and purples, disappear and look muddy in shade, while pale colors, white and light yellow, are often washed out by a harsh midday sun. This mistake just leads to garden beds looking very dull. How they can fix this is by selecting colors based on the specific light in each area. They can use white and silver plant colors in shady spots because they reflect light and appear to glow. They can also use hot, rich reds and oranges in intense sunny areas, where the colors can maintain their vibrancy for the time of day the garden is most viewed to maximize the color palette. To thank you for sticking around till the end, here's a bonus tip for you. Lastly, we've learned that Tandy and Tom choose colors simply because they like them, without considering the emotional and psychological response these colors can trigger. Colors are boldly divided into different emotional categories. The first one, which is warm colors. These are your reds, oranges, yellows. These are stimulating, energetic, bold, and they draw attention. They appear to advance, making the space feel smaller and closer. They are best for areas intended for action, excitement, or to create a focal point. The second category, which is cool colors, which consists of blues, greens, violets. These are calming, peaceful, restful, and receding colors. They create a sense of depth and distance, making the space feel larger and more serene. They're ideal for private and relaxing areas. Ignoring the color psychology in your garden means the garden's atmosphere will be inconsistent with its purpose, creating a jarring, uncomfortable experience for visitors and residents. If you want to know the complete process on how to design your backyard, go to the link in the description to get the ultimate landscape design blueprint. You can also watch this video right over here. I know you're going to enjoy it. Catch you on the next one.